Hello friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I am your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon. Link of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is how many types of softwares are there? So friends, as we see in this software industry, there are many types of softwares are available in the market. How we can classify them, or there can be how many types of categories are available. So if we try to categorize all these softwares, we can categorize broadly them into two main categories. So these categories are the system softwares and the application softwares. The system softwares are the software that are the software which works on the computer machine and it commands to any of the hardware device, or it performs any activity for the given command. So that are the system software. For example, the printer machine. The printer machine is not able to work without the printer software. The printer software that will understand the command that is being given, and then it will translate it into the printer machine, and then the printing will happen. So the printer software take care of all these things. So the other examples will be the audio system or the video system that are going to perform an hardware activity for hardware, or the visual activity for the given command. These are done with the help of system softwares. Now the other one is the application software. So these application software, they are not generally involved in any of the physical activities that can be performed by the computers, but these are involved in the application activities for the saving of data, retrieving data, interacting with other users, or solving any other business complexities or the requirement. So these are being done by the application softwares. And for example of the application softwares are the MS Office, like Word, PowerPoint, or the Excel, or even if we can say like the games or any other software that are used for the business, performing the business or the day-to-day activities. So these are the application software. So friends, now next I have a question for you, that the programming software where the IDEs on which we are working or create a program, that falls under which category of the software? So that will be a system software or an application software. You can mention this answer as in true or false in the comment section given below. So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.